So this lecture will be very, very fundamental. So let me start from the scrap. You can see a beautiful country. Okay, it should be. It is Hong Kong. So you can see the sea was made as a land. In that, even the airport in Hong Kong, it is like that. So what is all? So to develop all this infrastructure, concrete is the primary material. So concrete is a excellent material, and also it is a great destructive material. Also, some mishap like earthquake or serious cyclone or wind and everything comes, whatever it is, it will take the life like anything. For example, you can see the recent earthquake that has happened in Nepal in the last 3 years. In the 3 years ago, at the time you could have visualized how many damages that has occurred, because here you have to be very careful, where you should be very strong in your fundamentals. The concrete technology analysis and design will play a vital role here. Apart from that, your construction management and other sequence, these two will be most primary. Appropriately, you should select the right materials. You should not design any structure that is over reinforced. When you are doing over reinforced, when such sudden impact like this lateral excitation forces, earthquake or anything comes, without giving any prior notification, it will immediately, that structure will get failed, because the steel will break first. Okay, once the steel get broken, then that's it. So that is the primary cause, and that was the main thing. And another one reason was Gujarat earthquake, Bhuj, which has happened long ago in 2001. Yeah, there also you can see lots of lives would have demolished. Even if it was a masonry structure or a light roof structure, you can escape to a bit extent, to a best possible extent. But if it was an RCC structure or any type of the thing, steel structure or anything, there will be a similar severe damage. That too, for RCC structure, to remove the section alone will take quite long time, and that too, if it is a multi-storied building, it will create some serious effect. So, so this is the key material, but also you should know how effectively you have to use that. Okay, so you should make it environmental eco-friendly. That is one thing. And you know that very well, the additives of the concrete, what are all the ingredients that is used, that you are using. So these are some my preliminary studies. Whenever I go with the introduction of any subject, I will without this projection of the slides, I will not. Okay, fine. Now we will go quite little earlier in the ancient eras. Okay, why, as I said, coming to the first intro, what is the need of this repair and rehabilitation? So most of you will have a thought in your mind, sir, very old, say even some structures are long lasted, even which was built 8th century ago or 10th century ago, still the structure is long lasting. This, for example, this is an Egyptian pyramid. This Egyptian pyramid was built from by 5,000 years ago, during the after the fall of the Roman Empire, and when the Egyptian era has come into the picture, that time itself they have built this, and still it is long lasting. They say that it is a geopolymer concrete. Geopolymer concrete we are finding only now, but how come, how ancient in 5,000 years? Not even single distress. It is of course, it is made up of with completely lime. The reinforcement is not that much. It was not eroded seriously, because